Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather your tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 2290. You can find these batteries at most electronics retailers or online. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the Conga 2290. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each screw and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the unit. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging it from the connector. Take a moment to inspect the compartment for dust or debris. Using the soft cloth, clean the area to ensure a good connection for the new battery. Next, take your new battery and plug it into the connector, ensuring it fits snugly. Before replacing the cover, double-check that everything is secure and that there are no loose wires. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the new battery is connected, carefully place the cover back on the device. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but avoiding over-tightening, which could strip the screws. Now that the device is reassembled, plug it back in and turn it on. Monitor it for a few moments to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Also, if you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. Finally, if you're considering further repairs or upgrades, we provide a quote before any repair work begins. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. Changing the battery on your Conga 2290 is an essential maintenance step that can prolong its life and improve performance. With these steps, you can confidently tackle this task and ensure your device is always ready to use. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.